Where does the name for Gronant come from? Today I'm in Flintshire and I'm in the small settlement of Gronant. Now the name's pretty simple, it's made of two parts. Gro means gravel and Nant means stream, so it literally means the gravelly stream, the stream with the gravel at the bottom of it. Now the records are interesting for this place. There's records from 1080 about a settlement here, but for a while the English added the word moor onto it, so in English for most of its history it was known as Gronant Moor. Anyway, diolch, thank you, subscribe for more, give us a like and a share and a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.